This might just be like a matter of style, though. I don't know. So, how many characters should you have on a page? This is a flexible number. There isn't an absolute. There isn't an absolute. There isn't an absolute for this query. Personally, I like to limit the number of characters per page to between 5 or 10 characters, unless it's like a crowd in the background or something. You can have less than 5. You can do that. You can have less than 5. That's fine. But again, it's situational. You sort of have to be strategic about it. It depends on what the story is calling for, and what you need, and what you have available. Just like things like that. Again, you have to be really strategic about this. There's no there's no absolute answer for this. However, that being said, any more than 10 is going to be difficult to work with. Because, man, 10 is a lot by itself. Like, personally, I try to avoid going over 10. Like, 10 is a lot, if you ask me. Because it takes a significant amount of time and energy to draw these things. If it's going to take you like maybe 5 or 10 minutes to sketch a single character, and there are over 10 characters on the page, all of a sudden it's taking you over an hour or two to sketch a single page. And you still gotta deal with backgrounds and panels and text and word booms and all sorts of stuff like that. And on top of that, if you have over 10 characters on the page, plus background text and what have you, that page is going to get super duper busy. The viewer is going to have a hard time figuring out what to focus on and basically digesting it, like visually disseminating it. The comic is going to become really difficult to read. It's not going to be enjoyable anymore. It's just going to end up turning into work. And that's something no one wants. No one wants to do. Like, comics aren't supposed to be work. They're supposed to be recreational. Don't turn your comic into work. You're going to turn away readers. Like, don't do that. You gotta be careful about this. You gotta be careful about that too. Try and aim for these things to be digestible. Speaking of digestible, try to avoid doing something like this, where you have a single character and it's just a massive word dump. This is a good way to drive away readers. If I wanted to do that much reading on a single page, I would have picked up a novel. No offense. What else? I don't know. I can't really think of anything else right now. I'm certain there's more to it, but I think this is plenty to work with, though. Okay, guys. Great. So, if you are new here to the WRNotes, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like, and until next time, stay creative. Good luck out there. 'Cause believe me, man, I know it can be rough.